Welcome. Today, we will show you how to manage your project-related tasks efficiently using the Kanban board. Let's get started. First, open a project and navigate to the Tasks tab. Here you will find the Kanban board, where you can manage the tasks that belong to the project. Kanban is a common method in project management to visualize tasks and control the flow of work. Tasks are usually divided into 3 categories, which are displayed on a 3-column board. On the far left, To Do, in the middle, In Progress, and on the far right, Done. The Kanban board is always read from left to right. This means that the pending tasks or the backlog are always on the far left, and the completed tasks are always on the far right. You can adapt the classic board to your way of working and change the number and names of the columns. To do this, click on the 3 vertical dots on the right-hand side of a status. Here you have the option of renaming the status, adding a new status to the left or right of it, or deleting the status. In our example, we create another status to the right of it. To rename, you can also simply double-click on the name and then enter the name. Our new column should be called Waiting for Feedback. You can also change the order of the Kanban columns. Simply drag and drop a column to the desired position. Next, we need some tasks. Click on the New Task button to create a new task, which always appears in the column on the far left. You can rename the task directly in the task card. You can also assign a resource, which is the person who will carry out the task. Select a deadline and enter the estimated amount of work in working days, hours, or minutes. Of course, you can also open the task and enter further details. For example, add a description or drag and drop documents onto the task. When you or a team member starts working on a task, they can move the task to the next column, In Progress. This allows all team members to see who is currently working on which task. As soon as you drag the task to the far right column, it is considered completed. If a task is overdue, you can easily recognize this by the red marking. Another important note: no matter how you name and arrange the columns, in InLoox, the tasks in the leftmost column are always listed as incomplete and the tasks in the rightmost column are always listed as completed. Another note: adjustments to the Kanban board are always visible to everyone in the entire project. If a certain structure is to be set by default for all projects, the InLoox administrator can define this in the InLoox settings. This can be done under Organization and then under Task Statuses. You are looking for further support with InLoox? Then please visit our website under inloox.com.